But these chicken tender dimes though. Get paid to eat chicken tenders and share your opinion. Sounds good.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Get paid to talk about shipping packages. I gotta head out to Sherman Oaks. 2 focus groups today. Grind mode. Let's go.
You are now watching DJTV.
All right, we're heading out to Sherman Oaks Galleria. Got my gear, got my Mavic, got my R6. It's 9:45 right now. It takes about 18 minutes with traffic. I might be a couple minutes late. Off to Sherman Oaks, let's go. Welcome to Whiteland. I mean, Sherman Oaks, California. Just got into good old Sherman Oaks Galleria. Let's go rock this focus group.
So they called me and they said, "You're late right now." I'm like, "It. What are you gonna do? You're gonna just cancel me because I'm late?" Absolutely dead right now. Cheesecake Factory is like completely dead. There's like nobody there. I've never ever seen the Sherman Oaks Galleria this dead before. Facts and figures. They gotta be looking at me like, what the fuck, kiddo?
I called, I told them I was running late, so they should be cool with it.
I made it. Hi. Is that you calling? Okay.
Only have 1 more minute.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
take a temperature.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Perez, right?
Oh yes, correct.
Okay. 1 second.
Yeah.
Here. Wait a minute. Okay. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You have a smartphone that can access a QR code.
Yes, I do.
Just sit tight and I'll give you guys your food as soon as.
Oh, right there. Okay.
Thank you.
I'm assuming we can take this home, right? We were able to bring one of them home? I have like 1 piece. Oh, yeah. I finished those 2. I'll bring this.
You have a great day. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, yeah. Thanks for having me. Have a good day, man.
You too.
David.
Oh, there's a parking, right? No problem. Awesome. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, we're probably right here.
Thank you very much. Panda
Panda Express, I really enjoyed indulging in your very appeasing, delectable, quite palatable, delicious chicken tenders. It was quite satiating and appeasing to my taste buds. I would definitely purchase once you release it to the public. Thank you very much. Boom, cha-ching! Just like that. Get paid to eat chicken tenders and share your opinion. Focus group live.
I mean, it's nothing fancy. It's just chicken tenders, but it's like really tender and juicy. It's bomb.
Alright, y'all. Gotta go home and edit this vlog. Peace, guys.